The SS Jaguar 3.5 was first introduced in 1938 as the marque's flagship luxury limousine model and a 4-seating alternative to the legendary SS 100. Of the 1,304 models that were produced in this series, it is estimated that less than 150 received the drophead coachwork. Originally delivered to Adelaide, South Australia from Henlys, London, in early 1939, shortly before the commencement of World War II. This Jaguar SS 3.5 is believed to be only one of 6 sent from the factory to Australia. This ultra-rare 3.5 litre 5-seater convertible is a treasure amongst the classic car scene. This model was also the first to receive the Jaguar moniker, as well as the original SS badging, before it was discontinued due to World War II. The model was marketed as an owner-driver alternative to the cumbersome limousines offered by Rolls-Royce, Bentley and Mercedes-Benz, while still offering a comparative level of luxury. The 3.5 litre engine produced 125 brake horsepower and a top speed of 95 miles per hour.